Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna keep working on my motorcycle project. I ordered a bunch of parts and I got almost everything. So let me show you the parts I have. So the first thing is the gas tank. I ordered a smaller one because I don't really want to get something big in it. I think this is the perfect size. So it's gonna be somewhere in there. I'm not sure exactly, but just present it right now. And I got this amazing looking seat, and that one, I don't know, gonna be somewhere there. So I'm just gonna put it right there for right now. And I got this muffler. I don't know if you realize that I'm kind of going with red parts, and then I'm gonna try to match it with some color. I don't know which color I'm gonna pick for the frame, but I think I'm gonna go for red for the parts I can get on red. And so I need to figure out what I'm gonna put it after I mount the engine. And the last thing is I got this tire. It's a kid's tire, kid's bicycle tire, and I just replace it for a 3 inches wide. So I'm gonna replace this one. So I think it's gonna make it look better. I don't know why I want the front tire to be bigger than the one in the back, and I think it does the right side. So let's get into it. We got the tire in. So next step, I think I'm gonna mount the back tire. I still need I need a longer bolt for the back, but I can just keep using this one just to keep the tire in place. And the next thing, I'm gonna mount my base for my engine so I can make it level, and then I can start working from there to the sprocket. So here we go. I still need some parts. I make a mistake and I ordered some bearings, and I thought it says 2, but it was only 1, so now I'm stuck with 1, so I have to order 2 more, and they might gonna be here until, I don't know, in the next couple days, I don't know, but I can't do much right now, so I'm gonna keep doing what I can with the parts. Like right now that I have my plate, I might can bend my pipes from these ones to the plate, so the engine is gonna be right there, and it's looking pretty good. The space is good, and we just keep going. But I'm really happy the way it's looking, so I hope it turned out pretty nice and you guys like it. So I think it's gonna be the right size too. So hi everyone, so today I'm working on a couple places on my motorcycle. The engine is sitting in the plate already. It's not attached yet because I still need to wait for the pillar blocks so I can attach my sprocket. But I just finished doing these bands and welded to the plate. I already have my footstep. So I ordered two like foot pedals. They're gonna be here, so the ones who fold up and down, so they're gonna look good in there. And so right now what I'm doing is I'm working on I'm gonna put my gas tank. So I'm making this flat piece of a bar so I can put it right there, and another one somewhere in here, and so I can attach my my gas tank. So let's do it. Alright, we got the first one. It's welded, so now I have to make the long one, and then I can make my two holes and screw the gas tank. Here we go, the moment of the truth. Let's see if it. And it's in. Okay everybody, here's the update on the last things I've been doing on my motorcycle. So what I have done right now is I have the seat mounted. It's not really attached yet, it's just sitting on, because I need to take everything apart and paint the frame, but it's close to be done. So I got the axle for the back sprocket, and so it's already connected to the engine, so it's already right here, and it's right here to the clutch, so it's done. So now I just have to work on the throttle cable, and then I have to work on the brakes, and pretty much be ready to take it out there for a test drive. trying to install my mud cover, so I'm gonna put it right there. I think it's gonna look the right size. It's not bad. So what I'm doing is I already have these two pieces right here, and I already had the screws, so I already cut up one and put it in there. So I'm gonna put the other one on the other side, and then I'm gonna put something across what is gonna be attached to the top of this part, and that's gonna be pretty much it for this one.